Of days as well, especially in Oxford, Zanetta, is folks are going to need to find some creative ways to cover their car if they are exposed to the elements. So you're staying home, but your car is going to be outside. The last thing you want, because especially in the Oxford area, you're anticipating more ice than snow, is to have your car frozen over. So find a creative way to get that covered, and of course keep it away from maybe trees where tree limbs could be falling on there. Little things to be thinking about here as you're making your way through the next couple of days. Friends, it's not too bad this morning. Our weather is actually cool but comfortable. We're in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees, but the big picture view continues to stand. We have winter storm warnings covering the entire Mid-South. We have that ice storm warning, especially for north central and northeastern Mississippi. This is the area of greatest accumulation expected, while more accumulation of snow is expected up to our north. Here's the bigger picture view. Storm Tracker 3S is still looking. The area of low pressure is developing now, and it's going to be moving into the Mid-South by later on this afternoon and this evening. You'll remember in advance of that area of low pressure, we have the powerful north and northeasterly winds that will be dropping the temperatures, so we'll be down into the lower 20s by the time that moisture arrives, helping to turn that over to snow by later on this evening. Right now, though, we're at 40. The winds are from the northeast. Watch these winds gust throughout the course of the afternoon. Temperatures will be holding in the mid and upper 30s and then taking a nosedive as we head through the evening hours. And as mentioned, we'll be in the 20s when that precipitation arrives. If we get the snowfall tonight, which I'm pretty certain we will, it would likely be this evening and overnight, and by daybreak tomorrow morning, you'll be waking up to temperatures in the teens and the snowflakes flying in the northeasterly winds. So tomorrow morning has the potential to be very pretty. The problem is it's going to be changing from snow over to a freezing rain and sleet mix throughout the course of the day. And with that, the temperatures are going to be holding in the teens. So again, we watch the clock and you'll see the area of low pressure developing and the area of precipitation starting off as snow, working its way through the area overnight tonight into early tomorrow. And then, as mentioned, just after lunchtime or later in the morning, we'll see that transition going back over to more of a wintry mix of the sleet and the freezing rain. Of course, we hate the freezing rain because that's where all the problems are. And then by Sunday, we'll see it end with some snow, and then that colder air will be moving back into the Mid-South. So the big picture view has not changed that much. Heavier snowfall to the north, heavier freezing rain down to the south. Much of the Memphis and the metro area, you see that 3 to 6 inches of a wintry mix across the area. This potential for ice, especially south of Memphis, is probably what has us most concerned. You get the freezing rain. That's where you start having problems with the tree limbs coming down and the power lines going down and things like that. So if this model holds, there could be some significant concerns across northern Mississippi, while the graph model is still picking up snowfall in the neighborhood of about 6 inches here in the Memphis area, as is the Euro model. So the Euro and the GFS and the graph are all kind of coming into play, showing the heavier snowfall up to our north as well as the ice down to the south. So the temperatures are falling today. We have snow tonight and early tomorrow, changing over to a sleet and freezing rain mix, ending after becoming snow again on Sunday, and then the bottom drops out with the temperatures, with overnight lows falling into the single digits, and that's when the wind chills may very well drop down well below zero. And I'm already tracking another big blast of cold Arctic air for next week. So you can see on these wind chills by early Saturday morning it's down to around zero, and again by the time we get to early on Monday morning, we're talking about wind chills that could be dropping below zero. So there's lots of things to plan and prepare for during the course of the day.